Bars, restaurants and nightclubs produce huge quantities of empty bottles, and TommyGriffith identified a potential niche in the market for a new product and an opportunity for him to establish his own engineering business. That business, PEL, manufacture bottle crushers.
What you're looking at is you're putting 5 bins into one. So where you 5 full bins of bottles, you're putting 5 full bins crushed into one bin. So therefore your volume is reduced in the same format. The amount of space they require is reduced. And the cost of getting rid of the glass is reduced. So all they do is empty wheelie bins inside the machine, hit the start button. All your empty bottles are going in. Open your door, the machine powers down. Pull out your bin of crushed glass. And there you go. Volume reduced by 5 to 1. Your cost to dispose of your glass reduced by 5 to 1. Money saved. That is a flagship product. Every hotel, every pub, every restaurant is a potential customer for that product. So you take the marketplace, it's huge. Any cities where there's a shortage of space, they can put in a machine, they reduce their volume, they don't need as much space for storing their waste glass. In the UK, we've machines going out to Hilton Hotel Group, the Morgan Hotel Group in London. They've put our machines in. Again, they're in the middle of London. Space is of the essence. The PEL bottle crushers retailed at 4,950. Generally, the customer will get a return on their investment between 12 and 18 months, depending on the volume of glass they're producing. Where they're putting out 5 bins of glass, now they're down to 1 bin of glass. I'm visiting a premises tomorrow in Dublin. They're tight on space. Their ceilings in their basement are very low. By being a manufacturing company, we can custom do it. If they have the need for a machine, we'll fit a machine in, one way or another. We've never failed yet. Well, what we'll probably do is we'll have a look at how you want to get the glass out. We might be able to put in a system to lift the bins back out onto the main street. So that rule out that problem. Well, I love coming up with solutions. And no matter what we come up against, we will create a solution for it. The minute I walked in here, I could see what we're going to do. This is what separates us from anyone else. We will come up with ideas and ways of getting the products into these type of premises. I know as business goes, you cannot be on every site, but if you put the ethos through your business, by the time I get all our staff, they will all think the same way I think. And when I go looking for staff and hiring staff, I want to hire people that are better than me. I don't want to hire people that aren't as good as me because they're no benefit. I want to bring people into the company that will be better than I am, that will increase our business, and that will give me time to expand into new markets, France, Germany, Spain, all the other countries that I want to be in.
Tommy attributes much of his ambition and dedication to hard work to his background growing up on a farm in Mayo.
From a business point of view, and like farm background, farmers work is 24/7, and in business it is the same way. If it's a thing you want a 9-to-5 job, you're not suitable to self-employment. You're not suitable in working for yourself. My week starts at 7 o'clock on a Monday morning. It's 24/7. The beauty of growing up in a farm, you are innovative. Everything about a farm is different every day. There's nothing the same, so therefore in business it's the same as well. You are coming up with new challenges, you are coming up with new issues. Farming has taught us that at a very young age. I love doing what I do, I love seeing our products abroad, I love meeting customers that have our machines and are very happy with the machines. That is success. It gives you the buzz you're looking for, and that's what I think the business is about. And if I didn't love it, I wouldn't be as passionate about it, and I wouldn't be out there trying to do what we're doing.
Tommy's very focused in relation to where he wants to be and what he wants his brand to be. I don't think that Tommy is any different to a lot of entrepreneurs who really have a focused plan on where they want to be. Best in class is really, really important for Tommy, and it's very evident in what we see and what we hear from Tommy and what that means to him about being self-employed. His whole ethos and where he's going and where he's come from, Tommy's of the view, correctly so, that his business is his life and he works 24/7, and no doubt that Tommy will be very successful in bringing that to where he wants it to go.
It may only be the beginning for Tommy and his company, but he has real ambition about how he wants the company to progress in the future.
When people mention a vacuum cleaner, they say Hoover. When they mention a digger, they say JCB. They don't say digger, they say JCB. And I want our machine, our bottle crusher, to be the number one, so that when people mention bottle crusher, they say the PEL. And that way everyone else is trying to be up to our standard.